Hi everybody, Robert Dyer, and welcome to the Robert Dyer channel, where tonight I went to Popeyes to get the brand new Magnolia Blossom Chicken, and it comes with a spicy orange sauce. Okay, so here's the box, and here's the container of the new spicy orange sauce that goes with this. Now let's open the box. And there we have the Magnolia Blossom Chicken. It's one large piece that you tear apart, and there are the Cajun Fries and of course the biscuit. Here's a close-up on the spicy orange sauce. Zoom in a little bit closer there. See those spices floating in there. Let's get this open here, and let me pull out the, whoops, it looks like one of the pieces just came off when I picked it up. This is one of the, what you might say are the you got a total of 5, including the one that came off. Maybe if I turn it around this way, you can also see you've got these individual petals of the flower that you pull off, so to speak, and thus the name of this item. Actually had 2 magnolia trees in front of my house when I grew up, so I know a little something about that. Let me now pull off one of these. Now, in terms of aroma, it's pretty much your standard Popeyes fried chicken aroma. Let's go ahead and see how it tastes. Well, this has got a surprise inside underneath the coating. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's this very thin layer of a red sauce, very spicy. I can't think of, sort of like a Tabasco paprika combination. The usual tender, juicy chicken inside. There's also a third ingredient in that red sauce. I don't know what it is. Definitely a Cajun ingredient. Usually they do this with the sauce, where they give you a really a new flavor you haven't had before, but I gotta commend them that they did it actually with the product itself. This is definitely not just the same old variation on chicken tenders, but now let's see if this spicy orange sauce will add anything more to it. Drip off there a little bit. Something fishy in the world of YouTube. You had a review of the Taco Bell flatbread before it was released nationwide. Yet many of the later reviews of it have more views than yours. How's that possible? It's been proven that when Robert Dyer videos get put before a large audience, they get big views. And lots of subscribers. So why doesn't YouTube want to make money with Robert Dyer? Instead of supporting a blue-blooded American like Bob Dyer, they turn to an immigrant from overseas, from Sweden, PewDiePie. Which makes no sense, because if PewDiePie had to introduce the Vinnie Vincent invasion at the MTV Awards, He wouldn't even be able to say the name. He would say, Winnie Winston. Winnie Winston.
Winnie Winston.
When PewDiePie won the Best Waste of Time award on one of them YouTube award shows, you know, one of them things hosted by Mario Lopez and a butt double from Game of Thrones, when he got to the mic for his big speech, all he could say was gluten, gleben, glouten, and globen. This is America. Speak English.
Speak English. Woo!
Well, that is an equally interesting sauce. It's sort of like a orange honey. The sauce looks like sweet and sour, but it's really a lot smoother and not sour. More like an orange juice, citrus flavor. But at the same time, the spice in here, unlike some sauces that will cool off a hot item, this did not reduce the spice level because it has some of its own. So it just really adds a nice orange citrus flavor to the rest of the experience. This was a very reasonable $3.99. The Montgomery County Council greedily took 24 cents for themselves. Ridiculous as usual, but still, that's not Popeyes' fault, that's the council's. I'm still giving this a solid 5 stars. Great product by Popeyes. Hope you like this video. Share it with your friends. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.